Analog Obsession ED compressor is a fantastic vocal compressor when it's in ED mode. This means that it has an emphasis and de-emphasis kind of EQ curve in the detection mode, not in the direct line, the compressed signal, right? This is also an analog compressor simulations, which means that it also has harmonics even in the clean mode, which is the same compressor without the emphasis and the emphasis curves in the sidechain circuit. Now back to ED mode, we're going to use it and you will see how it benefits. Amount is just ratio, and output is going to compensate the amount of compression you are adding.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino.
Now the real magic happens when you start moving amount past the half the way. It's when you start hearing the compression in combination with the EQ curves in the detector circuit in an asymmetrical way such as is beneficial for the voice.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino.
As a curiosity, let's see what happens at maximum.
Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino. Tomando, déjalo, cuestión del destino.